In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and use Alipay. First, let's start by downloading the app. Open the Google Play Store if you are using an Android device or the App Store if you are on an iPhone. On your screen, you will see a search bar at the top. This is where you can find the Alipay app. It's important to make sure you are in the correct store for your device, as this ensures you are downloading the right version of the app. Once the store is open, you will be ready to search for Alipay. Next, in the search bar, type in Alipay and hit search. You will see a list of applications appear. Look for the official Alipay app, which usually has the recognizable logo. This is crucial because downloading the official app keeps your information secure and allows you to access all the features without issues. Once you find it, tap on the app icon. It should take you to the apps page where you can see more details about it. Now tap Install if you are on Android or Get if you are using an iPhone. You will notice the button will change to show that the app is being downloaded. This step is simple but essential as it allows you to access Alipay's services directly from your device. It may take a few moments for the app to download, depending on your internet connection. Once the app has installed successfully, you will see the option to open it. With that done, you can now open Alipay. Locate the app icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Tapping the icon will launch the application, and you will be greeted with the home screen of Alipay. This is where all the magic happens, from payments to managing your finances. It's reassuring to know that you are just a few steps away from setting up your account and starting to use the app. Next up, we need to create an account. Tap on the Sign Up option that you will find on the home screen. This step is vital because without an account, you won't be able to access any of Alipay's features. You will see a prompt asking for your mobile phone number. Enter your number carefully. Make sure it is correct, as this will be used for verification and account recovery. A quick check now can save you a lot of headaches later. After entering your mobile phone number, you will receive an SMS verification code. Check your messages for this code and enter it in the designated field within the app. This verification step is important as it ensures that the number you entered belongs to you. It adds an extra layer of security to your account creation process. Once you have entered the code, you can move forward. Now it's time to create a password. Choose a strong password that you will remember but that is also difficult for others to guess. This is crucial for keeping your account secure. Enter your chosen password in the required field. After that, you may be prompted to complete identity verification. This could involve submitting additional information or documents to ensure your identity is confirmed. Completing this step is essential as it helps protect your account and complies with Alipay's security policies. By following these steps, you are well on your way to using Alipay effectively. Remember, each part of this process is designed to keep your information safe and ensure a smooth user experience. After completing your account setup, you will be ready to explore all the features that Alipay has to offer.